Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the second modern instrument, that is digital level. Okay, so this is the advanced form of auto level. So in this video, we are going to see the different part of this digital level and the temporary adjustment of digital level, and also how to measure how to take the reading on the leveling staff by using the digital level. So the different part of this digital level is, this is the carrying handle, here there is the battery. Okay, so this is the telescope, this is the eyepiece, this is the diaphragm, okay, and this is the object glass. Okay, all this part is the telescope. This is the focusing screw of the digital level to focus the object. This is the tangent screw for the accurate bisection of the object. Here the circular bubble tube is provided for leveling the instrument. This is also the tangent screw. Okay, so here these are the 3-foot screw which are used for the leveling purpose, and below there is a tri-weight circular plate threaded inside to fix the digital level on the tripod stand. So here if you see, this is nothing but the digital display, okay, and these are the different function keys used, okay, to operate this instrument. So here one red button is there, this is the on off button, and also for measuring or for taking the reading you have to press this button. So there are two functions of this red button, one is on and off, and second one is to measure the leveling staff. Okay, now the temporary adjustment are same as that of the auto level, Okay, now first one is setting up the instrument. Already we have set up the instrument, that means fixing the digital level to the tripod stand at the convenient height, say 1 meter, okay, and roughly leveling the instrument by the leg adjustment. Second one is the leveling. So same as that of auto level, roughly you have to level first with the help of leg adjustment, and then with the help of foot screw you have to bring this bubble at the center. Okay, so here I am bringing this bubble in the center. Now here two circles are there, one is inside circle, another one is outside circle. Okay, so here if you see, this bubble is at the center. So this is nothing but the leveling of the instrument by using this foot screw. Okay, now after that you have to focus the eyepiece. Now the focusing of eyepiece is nothing but you have to make the crosshairs on the diaphragm clear and distinct. Here there is no need of that, but we should do it. So again hold a white paper or a hand, and with the help of eyepiece, rotate the eyepiece clockwise, anti-clockwise till the crosshairs on the diaphragm are clear and distinct. Then you have to focus the object glass with the help of this focusing screw, and see that the object is clear and distinct. Okay, so these are the temporary adjustment of digital level. Now here the one here for this digital level, this is the telescopic leveling staff. Okay, so if you see this telescopic leveling staff, here it is marked, okay, just like our scale. But in case of this digital, for digital, along with the digital level, so here you have to use the barcode leveling staff. Okay, so on one side the barcode are provided, whereas on other side it is marked with the scale. So again it is made up of the four. It is made up in the 4 lengths. So first one is of 1.3 meter, second one is of 1.25 meter, third one is of 1.25 meter, and fourth one is of 1.2 meter. So the total length of this leveling staff is 5 meter. Okay, so here the barcode are provided, so that instrument digital level, so scan this barcode and automatically display the reading on the display. Okay, so this is the difference between the telescopic leveling staff, and this is also the telescopic leveling staff, but on one side barcode is there and on the other side it is marked. Okay, that means you can use both way this leveling staff. Okay, now we'll measure the reading on the leveling staff So for that we have to press this red button. After pressing the red button on the screen, this will be displayed. Okay, so menu, then measure, then adjust and setting. So you have to go in measure, press enter. So there are 4 options: measuring modes, okay, then stake out, then leveling, and fourth one is ground height and horizontal height. So we'll go in the measure mode, okay, press enter. Now here they are asking to save the data, so press enter. So give the job number 38, enter, okay. So standard mode here, press measure. So I will bisect it, okay, and then press this red button. So here the reading on the leveling staff is 1.583, and the distance from this digital level to that leveling staff is 7.802 meter. Okay, so these are the reading at that point. Now we'll shift the leveling staff to the new point, and again we'll take the reading. Okay. Now we have shifted the leveling staff to the new position, and there we have to focus this leveling staff. So I will focus the leveling staff, okay, and then after that you have to press the red button. Now here the reading is 1.232, and distance from this digital level to that leveling staff is 13.836 meter. So we get 2 measurement. One is the reading on the leveling staff, that is the vertical height, and second one is the distance from the instrument to the leveling staff. Okay, so we can, if you take the difference between 2 readings, we can get the difference in elevation between the 2 points. Okay, thank you very much.